Well, there's a warning tonight about an unsafe batch of illicit drugs that could still be out on our city streets. And the alarm was raised after at least a dozen people overdosed yesterday right here at the city's supervised injection site near Yonge and Dundas Square. Now, in the aftermath, a number of ambulances were called to the site throughout the day today. At one point, even a paramedic bus was brought in. Police say 12 people were taken to hospital in a state of medical distress. Investigators believe the drugs were laced with another substance that doesn't respond to the overdose medication that was administered by first responders.
Despite being administered naloxone, none of the individuals recovered in a way that was typical for a normal fentanyl overdose. This leads us to believe that the substance that was distributed last night was a mixture of fentanyl and another undetermined substance at this point. Analysis by Health Canada will ultimately determine what that substance is.
Now, Toronto police arrested the man who allegedly sold the drugs. He was arrested not far from that supervised injection site. 38-year-old Wani Maimuller of Toronto faces 3 drug trafficking charges. Investigators say it's possible other batches of that potent drug are still being sold elsewhere in the city, and they have a strong warning for those buying illicit street drugs.
Purchasing, ingesting street drugs truly is a form of Russian roulette. The risk to public safety from ingesting street drugs remains critically high.
Superintendent Watts says that there could have been more overdoses here yesterday if police hadn't stepped in and tracked down that alleged dealer. Meanwhile, Public Health issued a statement which reads in part, drug overdose is a significant public health issue with devastating impacts for many. The events that unfolded yesterday clearly demonstrate the need for supervised consumption services in our community and the life-saving benefits they provide. Thank you to the staff who responded to this matter in a timely way in collaboration with our local police, paramedic, and fire services team. Now, Toronto police say it could take lab workers weeks, even months, to determine what the unknown substance that was in that drug was.